Hi everyone, today we are back with another video. We are checking out the Ulanzi Fill Light CL15 Light. It is a great tool for photography and videography needs. If you regularly film like me, it would be a great accessory to add on to my filming accessories. It looks rather compact and sleek, the packaging is small in size, and looks professional in its retail packaging. Wonder how the actual product will turn out. Let's proceed to find out what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find, one Ulanzi CL15 Fill Lighting, packed nicely in a foam packing. Next up is a set of user guide, to help users know more about the product before use. A USB-C charging cable is also included so users can charge up the battery after it's depleted. A good set of accessories to accompany the product, all packed nicely in the retail packaging. On first impressions, the Ulanzi CL15 Fill Lighting looks compact, minimalistic and modern looking. Just look how compact it looks, really nice in size. It has a USB-C charging port at the side of the device, for users to get the light charged up when battery is low. A brightness scroll controller is found at the side too, along with a power button at the top of the device to turn the device on and off. Easily adjust the light color setting at the side of the device. It has a silver metallic casing that feels sturdy and durable for me to bring around with me anywhere, anytime I want and need it. The silicone cover is soft and removable, allowing for ease of maintenance and usage. It reattaches to the camera with ease via magnetic technology. At the bottom, there is a tripod screw-in port. This is to allow users who have a tripod with the right screw size, to screw it in and use it as a camera tripod lighting if they want. Pretty thoughtful of the design team. There are 5 suction cups at the back of the light for ease of installation. It will attach to any smooth surface like glass. It has a 2000 mAh battery capacity for long usage hours. At the side, users can find the battery level indicator light which light up according to the battery level of the device. Up to 4 bars. It can last up to 10 hours on a single full charge. Pretty long run time. There is a 360 rotatable suction mount which I can turn 360 degrees all around according to my preference. This makes it an easy and compact device to use. Let's power it up. After holding down on the power button, it lights up brightly. I can toggle the light brightness with the scroll wheel at the side according to my preference. I also can customize the lighting tone color by toggling the scroll wheel at the other side of the device. Toggle it from yellow to white. A really wide array of color tones with the option to control in between white and yellow lighting tones to suit the user's needs. I can set it up easily. Simply place the light on a surface that is smooth and the suction cup will stick firmly onto it. Just look at it installed on my laptop computer. Now, I can use it for my presentations or online meetings or even vlog if I want to show my face in clearer definition to the person at the other side of the screen. Other than attaching to my computer, I can attach it on my phone too. Since it has a smooth surface at the back of the phone, I can use it to capture clearer selfie shots or even for on-the-go phone meetings to enhance the video and picture quality. Really convenient. I also can mount it to any DSLR camera for better photography effects with optimal lighting conditions with the Ulanzi Fill Light. It mounts on camera firmly and securely too with a suction cup design. Now, I can bring it out anywhere with me on my trips, or for work to allow me to get better shots anytime, anywhere. Overall, I find the Ulanzi Fill Light a good accessory for me to use when I am out and about. I love the compact size of it, and great functionality in adjusting the lighting color tone, as well as the brightness. If you want to know more about the Ulanzi Fill Light, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.